please do me a favor and don't get too close to the edge. Because if you slip, dude. What's that? Who are you? Who is it? Oh, where you ride out of? Oh, nice. Nice to meet you. My name's Brian. Steve? John? Nice. Nice to see you out. Yeah, you know me as Big John Doe on the internet. Hey, you guys are on video just in case you want to do any jumping jacks or anything. Yeah, you're seeing